Nikla's time. It's been quite a while since I've made a video. And today I'm going to be starting a cooking vlog. And today we're going to be making carbonara, basically, with my sisters. One of which will be Arifa. Hello! Say hello, Arifa. Hey! And let's get started! So first off, we're gonna make the saute stuff. We're gonna start off with some margarine or butter, depends. I'm going to put it here first. Just this, because I don't actually want it. There you go. Going to be putting our onion in my hand. I'm gonna mix it through. Mixing until it eventually kind of smells like onions, I guess. As it keeps going, make sure it doesn't get burned. Is what we're trying to do. If it gets burnt, that's bad. I don't want like anything that's bad, so just keep going. So once it starts to have a smell, we're going to be adding a bit of garlic to the mix. So for the onions, we used half an onion, and for the garlic, we used 2 cloves of garlic. So once it's already, brown and also has a pretty good smell to it, we can add the milk. Arifa, come on, try the milk. Just be careful. Got all the milk in over there. Some milk. So now we're going to be adding our stuff. We have over here. We have salt, oregano, and pepper. Let's add our stuff. All right. It's good enough. Alright, so once you're done, as you can see, it looks something like this. Basically, you have to turn the stove off once you're finished. Like that. Can you help turn it off? Thank you. And it's off. Look at that thing. Looks cool. So now we're going to be blending this mix, or just the milk. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the blender very carefully. I'm gonna try my. Alright, now that it's already poured, time to close it, and we're gonna blend. It's gonna get kind of noisy, so I won't really be able to talk through the whole thing. Let's do it. Alright, here it is. Let's just remove it. It's kind of hot. That's it. It smells cheesy. It's steaming. Alright. We're currently going to do the pasta this time. And we're gonna wait for the water to boil. It takes quite a while. So we're going to add a pinch of salt into it. So. Now we have to wait a little. Wait. We're gonna do the pasta. For this one, we're using fettuccine. Open it up. So we open the pasta over here. Now the thing is, I'm not going to put it in here yet because we're going to have to wait for the water to boil first. So we're going to put this aside. So now we're going to be putting the pasta here. As you can see, it's already kind of boiling. So let's put it here slowly so that you don't get yourself burned. Inside out over here. Using fettuccine, but you can also use spaghetti. It's optional. Adifa's gonna help. Pasta in. So while we wait for the pasta to boil, we're going to cook our smoked beef. So first up, we're going to need 1.5 spoons of margarine. Here. Buttery and stuff, we're going to be adding our smoked beef. We used 7 slices of it, I guess, and we kind of chopped it into, rectangular pieces, like this. Put them in. Mix it around to make it, a bit more crispy. This is why we're cooking it. So over here, the smoked beef has been cooked. So our pasta has been boiled. Adifa, turn it off, please. Thank you. Look at that, it's pasta. Pasta is boiled. So now that our pasta has been boiled, we strained the pasta first, actually. We're going to finally do the finale. We're gonna mix it all up. So let's do this. First up, I'm gonna pour it here. Done with the milk. Let's add our smoked beef. Very good. Looks crispy. Looks nice. Pour it all out. Make sure not a single bit is left. Yeah. So that we're done pouring our smoked beef. Gonna mix. It's a lot of mixing in here. Let me wait this way. Good mixing. To keep. It's getting really heavy every time we add a new ingredient. It's finished. Here it is, guys. It's finished. Now it's time for our taste test. You ready, Adifa? Bismillah. Yummy.
Wow. Good.
I really like it. Taste cheese. I can really kind of taste the garlic.
It's really good, especially with the meat.
I'd give it an 8 or something. 8 out of 10. So that's all for today's Sabading class. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and share. And also subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you get notified for new videos. And also go follow my Instagram, Nicolas Saktika. And that's all for today. Assalamualaikum Sabading class. Bye!